Activating Xfinity Mobile with eSIM is straightforward. eSIM eliminates physical SIM cards for a fully digital setup. First, ensure you have a compatible device like iPhone XS or later, or Samsung Galaxy S21 or newer. Download the Xfinity app from your App Store. Log in with your Xfinity credentials. Select Activate Mobile or add a line in the app. Choose eSIM as your activation method. The app will generate a QR code. Scan this with your phone to install the eSIM profile. This takes 5 to 10 minutes. Remember prerequisites: eligible plan, stable internet, and unlocked device. Keep account details handy. If QR scanning fails, restart the app or check connectivity. For a hassle-free Xfinity Mobile eSIM activation, keep these tips in mind. First, update your device to the latest iOS or Android version. Ensure your device is unlocked if it wasn't purchased directly from Xfinity. If you encounter QR code scanning issues, try restarting the app and ensuring a stable internet connection. If problems persist, contact Xfinity support for assistance. For older devices, a physical SIM card may be necessary. Security-wise, eSIM profiles are encrypted and linked to your account. The Xfinity app allows integrated management of your home internet, TV, and mobile services. Many users report a streamlined process, but be aware of potential APN setting adjustments, which may require a device reboot, a common tip in online communities. Aim for the process to take less than 2 minutes, with AI assistance in the app to assist.